to our channel. Let me turn this light off real quick. Welcome back to our channel. It's been a minute, but your girl's in the kitchen, and so I just wanted to bring you guys along. Tonight I'm going to be making salmon croquettes, and I don't know if this is like a down south thing or what, but I grew up on it. My mom used to make salmon croquettes with grits, mashed potatoes. Like, it's just so good. And because we pretty much only eat fish here in this household, it's a favorite of ours, of course. I'm sorry, it's been a while since I've been on camera, so I'm a little, I don't know, a little funny acting, but I'll get comfortable again. Hope all is well with everyone. So, if you haven't heard, Charles and I have started another channel where we'll be doing a lot of different grown and sexy type of talks and things on that channel. It's going to be, well, it is called Charles and Charnae Limitless. So if you haven't already, go ahead and shoot on to there. We haven't really uploaded anything yet, but we will. But yeah, so basically tonight, this is just a cook with me, just coming back to y'all. Excuse the forehead, I got a little bit of break outage. But we're coming to you guys today with a lovely cook with me. So I hope you enjoy. And let me know if you guys have ever tried salmon croquettes, and yeah, if you see anything that you basically want to add, or tell me the things that you guys do to your salmon croquettes. All right, let me go, because I'm just rambling on and babbling on. I ain't talking about that. Stay tuned. Here comes some little person. You smell food, Chunky? What's up, Chunky? I do not care for these little bones that come in it. Like, I just can't eat these. I'm sorry. Like, my mind won't allow me to just know that they're in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull them out real quick. As much as I can. I'm not gonna like break my neck, but pulling these bones out. So this is where I'm starting with the beans. Oh, let me get my egg. So after I sauteed my onions, bell peppers, and garlic, pull that out. And please make sure your hands are washed thoroughly when making this dish. I mean, you should anyway when you're in the kitchen, but always make sure your hands are thoroughly washed with this because you literally have to put your hands in it. So yeah, one of those jobs. Girl. Okay. This is what it looks like. Chopped it up. Got it all fine. And then I'm going to add our bell pepper. Oh, there you go, bell peppers. I'm going to add those in. Jackie, what you doing over there, girl? And I don't measure stuff, guys, so bear with me. I do not measure anything here. So yeah, I don't measure stuff. I just never really. The only thing I really measure, y'all, is freaking rice. I can't mess up my rice. I love rice so much. I do not want to mess it up. So I don't play with that. I actually measure that out. Okay, we do that. Okay. I meant to add my egg in there, but that's okay. You can add it at any time. I'm gonna make sure everything is coated properly. So with this, I'm going to go ahead and get this added in there, my egg. Basically, I only got 1 egg per can of salmon. So that's just, I use it as my binder, you know, keep everything together. Okay, get the stirring. This is where you go ahead and add your seasoning. So I'm just gonna use this Indolo seasoning and some pepper. I'm a little low on seasoning, so it's just that time. You know, I gotta get to the stove. What up? My daughter's taking out everything in the refrigerator. I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon juice here, raw lemon. This just brings out flavor in any dish. Stuff a little bit of that in there. I'm gonna add this pepper here. At this point, you can tell if you need more breadcrumbs or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and stir, and I'll be back once I show you guys my patties. Oh God, here we go. It's so funny. Okay, well anyway guys, so I am, it is so stank. Okay y'all, so I'm gonna make these patties now. And basically, gosh, avocados.
Hey Khalil, what's going on? Go eat your food, son.
I'm just gonna patty these up. Alright, so there are my patties, my salmon patties. Got to get this grease going, and yes, I'm still using the same pan that had my bell peppers and onions in it because that's the best way to do it. Get that flavor. Okay? Okay. Alright, so this is basically all you gotta do is just, we're gonna fry it up. And then that's gonna be it for this video. I'll show you guys the finishing touches, and then that's gonna be it.
Few hours.
A better picture of my plate. Oh, this light's on. There we go. Ooh.